Well, to Indonesia now, where more than 150 children have died from acute kidney injuries this year, with a spike in cases in August. The authorities believe they were poisoned by contaminated syrup-based medicines. It follows the death of more than 60 children in the Gambia in Africa in similar circumstances. Now, it's not clear at this stage whether there's a link between the two. Valdia Baraputri from the BBC's Indonesian service has spoken to one grieving family.
Wah.
This is Nadira, a 17-month-old baby, happy and healthy. When she had a fever in August, her mother gave her some paracetamol syrup. Millions of parents do this every day in Indonesia. But instead of getting better, Nadira's condition worsened. After many visits to hospitals and clinics, the little girl stopped urinating.
Memang itu udah gagal ginjal katanya gitu kan.
The doctor said she was suffering from kidney failure. That's what they said. What caused it? The doctors didn't know, because at that time in August, they were still investigating.
Nadira went into a coma and died 5 days later, on the 25th of August. Her mother was heartbroken. This was her long-awaited only child.
Kalau emang
Deep in my heart, I said to myself, if God loves my daughter more, I will let her go. If she has to leave me, her mum, I will let my baby go.
The smallest coffins are the heaviest. There are hundreds of parents in Indonesia experiencing this deep sorrow. They demand answer to why registered medicine could kill their children. And most importantly, they want accountability. More than 150 children have died from acute kidney injury this year, with cases spiking in August. The Indonesian authorities say 2 toxic chemicals were found above safe levels in the medicine syrup and believe the children were poisoned. A criminal investigation into 3 pharmaceutical firms is underway.
We have also found evidence that these pharmaceutical firms changed their supplier of the raw material propylene glycol without going through the proper registration process, as well as the mandatory testing of the raw material.
The authorities initially banned all syrup medicine, but then published a list of products they said were safe. With such uncertainty and fear among parents, pharmacies have cleared their shelves. But a bigger question remains.
Kan dia ada izin juga.
How did this medicine pass safety checks and get distributed to the public? Why are the authorities only acting after so many children have died?
It's what so many grieving parents are asking, how something so normal could prove so deadly. Valdia Baraputri, BBC News, Jakarta.